Hello everyone. This is Christy Rogers from North Carolina, and I'm super excited, so is my dog, super excited about this Happy Mail that I just got today. It didn't take very long, let's see, I'm on day 9, so 9 days, and I also ordered it, I think, fairly late in the night. So it didn't take very long for it to come, but I wanted to show you what has come in this kit. Now I just want to let you know that I have been on a journey with my health. I've suffered with hypothyroidism, chronic migraines, and now I know that I was finally confirmed with fibromyalgia. And so over the last several years, I have been searching for ways to be healthier for myself and for my family. And I've done it through food, through essential oils and natural products, and going to all different people for treatments. And 2 weeks ago, a friend of mine, who is now my sponsor, invited me to a party, and I had no idea what I was getting into, what I was looking at, but I realized that I needed something that was going to help me out with my skincare, because I knew that, well, I'm getting older, I'm a half a century, but I also knew that it only takes 26 seconds for something to get on your skin and go into your body at a cellular level. And so I knew I needed to take a look at these products, and I was so impressed. My leader, Ashley, did the party, and I'm so thankful that I got to meet her, and my sponsor, Michelle, invited me. So I have not looked through all of this. I just opened it up just to see basically if everything was in there. It comes packaged very nicely. I did get the Transform collection, because when I do anything, I do it big. I want to have it all, and with a 40% discount, you just cannot pass that up. So there is a folder with a lot of really nice information in here that I'm going to take a look at later. I'm not going to read it to you now. A smart planner to help step by step. Oh, and by the way, I had never tried a single product before I ordered this package. That's how impressed I am with this company. And some of my friends are going to be watching this video as well today and in the event. And y'all know what I've been going through, so you know when I decide to do something, I do think about it, but I did not try any of these out. So just wanted to let you know that. There are several envelopes that have the Flawless Foundation, the different shades to be able to color match. And then I believe these are, look how nice everything is wrapped. These are the handbags, the makeup bags that came. I'm only gonna open one unless I have time. I don't wanna make it a really long video. This one, it's not plastic. It is actually cloth lined, and I believe it's vegan material from what I remember reading. Oh, what the heck, I'll open the other one. You guys are gonna be amazed at how packed full this box is. And then the smaller one, of course, you'll like to fit in a smaller purse or whatnot. The other one would probably be for traveling, or for if you finally get to do in-home get-togethers. Look how full this box is. Can you see that? I'm seeing some people hopping on. Hello, hello. Everything that came in this package is nicely wrapped in tissue paper, and then they're also marked. So this is a shadow bar. I believe there are 4 eyeshadows in the shadow bars, which I'm excited about the makeup because it has no chemicals. Everything is chemical free. I love the long list, but the big thing that I wanted to get was the skincare. So there's the night light that's in here, which I can't wait to try. I hate to tear this paper because it's so pretty, but I am going to, because I want to show some of the products. From what I understand, everything comes in glass, or when it can't come in glass, if it comes in plastic, it's BPA free and all kind of contaminant and chemical free. This is the night light, so it is the evening facial cream that is the moisturizer that I am definitely going to be looking up the steps to do things tonight, and I will be working on that and trying everything out. I am the youngest of 3, and my sisters there's a big gap between my age and my sisters, and they were close together in age, but then there was me several years later, and nobody ever taught me how to do my hair, put my makeup on, take care of my skin, and so I'm going to be relying on a lot of my sisters in this company to help me out with that. Let's see, new improved packaging. Highliners. I'm going to say this is like an eyeliner, I believe. I was so looking forward to this charcoal body bar. I had a charcoal face bar a long time ago that I loved, my husband loved. We used it all the time. And so when I found out that there was a body bar and a facial bar, I was super excited because now I can start using them again and know that I'm putting pure and clean products on my skin. So just remember that no matter how much you do from the inside out, you need to also make sure you take care of from the outside in. And like I said, I've never tried any of these products, but once I read the list of everything that is not in the products, because I'm a firm believer in knowing what's not in them, and then when I saw what was in them, the high quality and that it's fair trade and everything is just held to the highest standard, the highest esteem, I just believed that this was where I needed to be. Especially with this company being 5 years old and totally debt-free. You don't find that a lot with companies these days. So that also was a big thing to make me excited about. Eyeliner, new products, a new product line I'm excited about. I don't have grandbabies yet, but I have friends who have little children, and there's a Littles product line, and this is a 3-in-1 bath time bar, so it can be used as the soap, body and hair, face. So it's a 3-in-1 bar. Let's take a look at the eyeshadow. There's a single eyeshadow, and then there's an eyeshadow bar that I didn't open up. So let's take a look. Let's see if I can open these things. Okay, they don't have a scent. Some of them do have a scent, but isn't that beautiful? Okay, I know I got some brushes. I know there are brushes that come in here. Here's a facial bar, so I could use the charcoal facial bar or the regular facial bar, and I'm gonna check and see which one is used for which. This one's called the Gentle facial bar. Listen to this. Most of the items are organic. Of course, there's water, and there is oat kernel flour, and there is shea butter, kaolin, let's see, jojoba. They have the Latin names on here too, so I'm trying to skip over those and still read. Jojoba seed oil, Argania spinosa kernel oil, and like there's all these asterisks that they're certified organic, and these are made in the United States. So that's another big thing, selling point for me. So I just wanted to show you some of the things that come in here, and I'm going to start talking about them later on. So you'll be seeing more lives from me as I learn. Oh, this is one of the brushes. I think all of these are brushes. And I know each brush has a different use that I have to learn about, but I'm just super excited, and I wanted to share this with you before I even knew too much about it. And like I said, I have not tried any of the products yet. Oh my gosh, in the videos they talked about how soft these brushes are. Oh my goodness, they really are. They feel like butterfly wings or angel wings. I've never been touched by an angel that I know of, but butterfly wings, oh my. Oh, and this is the Clear Light. I will open this another time. I keep telling you guys that, and then I go ahead and open it. I got it open. So this is the facial essence. It's like a toner. And I got myself some organic, reusable cotton pads and bamboo pads to use to also help lessen the carbon footprint, my carbon footprint on the world these days. So I just wanted to show you all of what comes in the starter kit. And remember, this is the big one. You could save, I think, 20 or 25% on the smaller one, and you can save 40% on the big one. I got the big one. And there's a ton of training. Of course, this group has a lot of great things, and then also there's other groups that we can get you connected in. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll be talking about these more, and let us know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.